We are at the dog park here in Cumberland Gap, Tennessee, and then we're going through the tunnel. Okay, this space right here. Every time I come this way and I see this, I keep thinking I will see a bear, a huge bear up there somewhere. Maybe Bigfoot. Now here is this tunnel, and let me tell you, I can feel the cold air from here. Okay, right here it is freezing. My teeth are chattering because when you come from 72, 73 degrees and then you go here, it is freezing. Oh, and that wind blowing down through this tunnel. Ooh. Right here is where it gets more narrow. This is actually very creepy. Because when your eyes are used to the sun outside, you cannot see anything in here. That's the way we came. And that's the way we're going. It scared me to death because I hear those people talking. Ooh, that scared me. We're finally at the end. Now on down this way takes you over into Harrogate, and there is like a catwalk that goes across the highway over to LMU. If you would like to see me with that, check out my other video where I was here and I walked all the way there. But I'm not going to do that today. I have other things waiting, other places to go. The way they have carved this, what used to be a railroad, out of these mountains is amazing. So where is your favorite place to go? You know, to get away? Let me know in the comments, and if you have a video, drop the link and I'll watch it. See ya.